Hello guys, welcome to Tech Info. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to provision the FreeCX app on FreeCX V16. So without further ado, let's begin this tutorial. Okay, so what I'm going to do first, I'm going to go into the extensions tab and I'm going to create a new extension just for the purpose of this video. And we're going to call this one extension 2002. Our first name will be FreeCX, our last name will be app. And we can leave it all there for the basic configuration. So we're now going to click on OK, and we're going to load back into the extension. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to provision this extension, of course, with the FreeCX app on my Samsung smartphone. And I'm going to log in via a web browser, so this window over here, with the extension 2001, just for testing and to show you that this really does work. And there will be a successful test, if that makes any sense. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to log into the extension 2001. And as you can see, we are now in the account. And now what we're going to do, we're going to hop over to our Android smartphone, and I'm going to show you what to do now. Okay, so as you can see, I'm now in the FreeCX app on my Android smartphone. So we're just going to click next here, and we're going to click on scan QR code. I'm just going to bring my camera slowly up towards the QR code here. Hello FreeCX app, continue. Using the app, allow. Anyway, so we are now on the FreeCX app application. And now, just to make sure that this works, I'm now going to do a test call now live from 2001. As you can see now, our app FreeCX is online. If we were to give it a quick call, you can see there is now audio. 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1. And now we're going to call it back, just to double check. So extension 2001. Hello. 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1. And that's it. Hopefully this video has been helpful. If you'd like to request a video, please leave your comments in the comment section below, or you can check out our Discord server, Twitter and Instagram page, which are the links in the video description. Join us next week where we'll be configuring the SIP soft phone on our computer for FreeCX, which is the FreeCX app for Windows. So do join us next week for that. Otherwise, thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed the video. See you later.